Ever pondered about how Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant seem to know so much? Ever wondered how they process the information you give them? Welcome to the intriguing world of artificial intelligence, or as it is commonly known, AI. It's a world where machines aren't just tools, but intelligent entities capable of learning, adapting, and even making decisions. From self-driving cars to voice-activated personal assistants, AI is transforming our lives in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few decades ago. But how do these AI systems know so much? How do they process the vast amounts of information they receive? The answer lies in something called knowledge-based agents. These are special types of AI that use knowledge to make decisions and solve problems. They are the brain behind your Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, enabling these tools to understand your queries, learn from your interactions, and provide you with useful responses. A knowledge-based agent operates on a simple principle. It has a knowledge base, a vast repository of information, and an inference engine, a tool that applies logical rules to this information to draw conclusions or make decisions. When you ask Siri a question, for instance, it refers to its knowledge base, uses its inference engine to process the information, and comes up with an answer. But it's not just about answering questions. Knowledge-based agents also learn from their interactions. Every time you use Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, they learn a little more about you. They adapt to your preferences, learn your habits, and strive to provide you with more personalized and intuitive responses. The magic of AI is not just in the technology itself, but in how it uses knowledge to make our lives easier and more convenient. It's about transforming vast amounts of information into useful, actionable insights. It's about creating intelligent machines that don't just do tasks, but understand them, learn from them, and improve upon them. Knowledge-based agents are the secret ingredients that make our AI interactions so seamless and intuitive. And as we move forward, their role in our lives is only set to increase. Welcome to the future of AI. Welcome to the world of knowledge-based agents. Now, what exactly is a knowledge-based agent? You might be wondering. Well, let's dive into it and find out. In the realm of artificial intelligence, a knowledge-based agent is essentially a computer program that makes decisions and takes actions based on its knowledge of the world. It's like a digital Sherlock Holmes using its stored knowledge to deduce, infer, and ultimately decide the best course of action. Imagine a vast library filled with books on every conceivable subject. This library represents the knowledge base of the agent. It's a collection of facts, rules, and relationships about the world that the agent has learned or been programmed with. The agent uses this knowledge to reason, make decisions, and act. Now, this wouldn't be possible without two key components: knowledge representation and inference. Let's explore these a bit further. Knowledge representation is how the agent's knowledge is stored and organized. It's like the Dewey Decimal System of our library. It's a structured format that allows the agent to quickly access and understand the information it needs. This could be in the form of logical statements, semantic networks, or even machine learning models. Inference, on the other hand, is the process the agent uses to draw conclusions based on its knowledge. It's like the librarian who knows how to find just the right book you need. The agent uses inference to deduce new information, solve problems, or predict future events. This can be done through various methods such as logical deduction, probabilistic reasoning, or even machine learning algorithms. Together, knowledge representation and inference form the backbone of a knowledge-based agent. They enable the agent to understand its environment, reason about it, and make informed decisions. In essence, a knowledge-based agent is like an AI's knowledge bank that it uses to make informed decisions. It's the digital equivalent of a wise old sage, using its vast knowledge to navigate the complex world of artificial intelligence. So, how do these knowledge-based agents work? Well, let's delve into the mechanics of these fascinating entities. Knowledge-based agents, or KBAs, operate on a three-step process: perception, learning, and problem-solving. Perception is the first step. Here, the agent acquires information from the world around it. It's like you or me observing our surroundings, but for a KBA, this could be data from a myriad of sources. This could be as simple as reading a temperature sensor or as complex as processing images from a camera. This raw data forms the basis for everything that follows. Next comes learning. This is where things start to get interesting. The agent takes the raw data it's perceived and starts making sense of it. It's not just absorbing information, it's understanding it, interpreting it, and adding it to its own internal knowledge base. This is where the knowledge in knowledge-based agent comes into play. It's like a student studying for an exam, taking in information and understanding it in a way that they can use later. The final step, problem solving, is where the agent applies what it's learned. It uses the knowledge it's gained to make decisions and take actions. This could be as straightforward as adjusting a thermostat based on temperature data, or as intricate as navigating a self-driving car through city streets. The agent doesn't just react to the world, it actively makes decisions to influence it, but it's not a one-time process. These steps are constantly repeating, with the agent perceiving new information, learning from it and applying that knowledge to solve problems. It's a continuous cycle of growth and adaptation, much like how we humans live and learn. The ability of these agents to perceive, learn and problem solve forms the crux of their functionality. So what's the big deal about these knowledge-based agents? Well, to put it simply, these agents are transforming the landscape of artificial intelligence technology. They're not just fancy algorithms, they're systems capable of reasoning, learning, and adapting, which makes them perfect for a wide array of applications across various sectors. Take healthcare, for instance. Knowledge-based agents are being used to provide medical advice, support diagnosis, and even predict patient outcomes. By analyzing a vast array of patient data, these agents can identify patterns and correlations that even the most experienced doctors might miss. They can suggest the most effective treatments, taking into account the unique circumstances of each patient. In the finance sector, they're revolutionizing how we manage money. They can analyze market trends, predict fluctuations, and even make investment decisions. They're helping to create more efficient, more personalized financial services, and they're making it easier for people to navigate the complex world of finance. And let's not forget customer service. How many times have you interacted with a chatbot without even realizing it? That's a knowledge-based agent at work. These agents can handle a range of customer queries, from simple FAQs to complex troubleshooting, providing prompt, accurate responses at any time of day or night. They're making customer service more efficient, more reliable, and more convenient. But it's not just these sectors that are benefiting. Knowledge-based agents are being used in everything from education to entertainment, from logistics to law enforcement. They're helping us to make sense of vast amounts of data, to make better decisions, and to interact with technology in more intuitive, more meaningful ways. So when we talk about the impact of knowledge-based agents, we're not just talking about a new type of AI. We're talking about a new way of doing things, a new way of thinking about problems, and a new way of interacting with the world around us. The capabilities of knowledge-based agents are revolutionizing how we interact with technology. Where are we heading with these knowledge-based agents? A question that piques our curiosity and propels us into the future. The future of knowledge-based agents, or KBAs, is as fascinating as it is vast. We're seeing ongoing research and development in the field, with scientists and AI enthusiasts constantly pushing the envelope to uncover new potential and advancements. Let's imagine a world where KBAs are ubiquitous, seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. They could become our personal assistants, managing our schedules, reminding us of important tasks, and even suggesting the best routes to take for our commute. The future could also see KBAs in healthcare, assisting doctors in diagnosing and treating diseases, and in education, providing personalized learning experiences for students. Moreover, the future of KBAs could revolutionize industries and professions. For instance, in law enforcement, KBAs could analyze crime data to predict potential hotspots, aiding in proactive policing. In finance, they could provide real-time insights and forecasts, helping businesses make informed decisions. But what's particularly exciting is the potential for KBAs to become even more intelligent and autonomous. We're talking about KBAs that can learn from their experiences, adapt to new situations, and even make decisions independently. This level of sophistication could open up unprecedented possibilities, from KBAs that can conduct scientific research to those that can create art. However, it's not all rosy. With great power comes great responsibility. As KBAs become more integrated into our lives and more autonomous ethical and security concerns arise, it's crucial that we continue to address these issues, ensuring that KBAs are developed and used responsibly. Moreover, it's important to remember that KBAs are tools, not replacements for human judgment and expertise. They're here to augment our capabilities, not to supersede us. The journey ahead is a thrilling one, filled with potential and promise. As we continue to refine and develop knowledge-based agents, the possibilities seem endless. Indeed, the future is not just about what KBAs can do, but also about how we can work together with them to create a better world. So, let's quickly recap what we learned today. We've delved deep into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence, focusing particularly on knowledge-based agents. These aren't just any agents, they are intelligent entities equipped with a wealth of knowledge about the world, capable of making informed decisions based on that knowledge. We've explored how these agents operate, using their internal knowledge base to perceive their environment, reason, and act accordingly. We've seen their remarkable impact, from streamlining complex tasks to fostering a new level of interaction between humans and technology. Looking forward, the future is bright for knowledge-based agents. As their capabilities expand, so too does their potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology, opening up exciting new possibilities that we've only begun to imagine. With knowledge-based agents, we are not just creating smarter AI, but a whole new way of interacting with technology.